Raise your hand if you've ever dreamed of making money online. Now keep it up if you've also thought, where do I even start? If your hand is still up, stay here. We're in this together. I'm Karen, and I teach people over 50, yes you, how to turn your skills into online income streams. Don't roll your eyes and say, but Karen, I don't have any experience. Let me ask you this. Do friends and family always come to you for advice on something specific? That's your expertise, and you can turn it into products that help others and makes you money. But before we talk about the steps, let me tell you a quick story about fishing. Because if there's one thing I've mastered in life aside from teaching online marketing, it's falling in the water. It's a beautiful day out, a fishing pole in one hand and my lucky hat on. And Steve, my best friend, husband, and fishing partner, he's laughing his rear end off because he knows what's coming. Sure enough, one wrong step and splash! I was in the creek. Hat floating away. Yes, my favorite hat. Fishing pole in the mud, and I'm soaked. The thing is, I love the water, so it wasn't a total loss. But it's a reminder that sometimes you've got to fall in, get wet and muddy in order to learn. It's not as scary as you may think. And starting an online business is kind of like that. You don't need to know everything. You just need to start somewhere. Now, let's break it down. Step 1, finding your niche. What do you know that others need? If you've been a flooring contractor for 20 years, why not teach homeowners how to avoid rookie do-it-yourself mistakes? If you've spent decades fishing like me, and hopefully you stayed dry, create a guide on the best bait for each season. Maybe you love vintage cars. Oh, how I love me a 1967 cherry red Mustang. One of my clients, Jim, he's been restoring vintage cars for fun. He started online courses teaching others how to bring old beauties back to life. Now, he's making more money in retirement than he did at his day job. Step 2, build your product. You don't have to be a tech genius to do this. We'll show you how to create a course, an ebook, and a membership program. One of our clients, Mary, a retired teacher, created an ebook called How to Homeschool Like a Pro. Priced it at $47, sold 500 copies, and made $23,500. Step 3, simplify the tech. Funnels, checkout pages, lead magnets, it's not as scary as it sounds. And unlike me trying to climb back up a muddy riverbank, we will help you make the process smooth and simple. Here's another example of how our client Sam, a personal trainer, thought tech would hold him back. We set up a super easy system, and now he's selling virtual workout plans to busy parents who need fitness on the go. Step 4, the launch. You don't need 1 million followers to succeed. We'll teach you marketing strategies that work, whether you're starting from scratch or already have a small following. Like Nancy, who had just 100 Facebook friends, but used her network to launch a crochet pattern membership. She's now earning $800 a month. Step number 5, create recurring income. The goal isn't just to make money once, it's to build something that pays you over and over again. Like good old Mike, the contractor who couldn't attach a file to an email when he first started. Sounds like me. He now runs a membership where people pay $29 a month for exclusive do-it-yourself tips and live Q&A sessions. If you've been standing on the riverbank, afraid to jump on the next rock, here's your sign. It's your time. Grab my free guide, 25 Digital Product Ideas. The link is in the description below. And start creating income from what you already know. And if you want to hear more stories about me falling into the river or tips for building your online business, like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment. What skill could you turn into income? Just like in fishing, the first step is knowing what to fish for. Let's see what you can catch. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.